Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I melt my lace down. Okay, so let's just keep this pretty and cute. Okay, period. Now I'm gonna be using my beautiful got to be glued. Okay, and I have some gold spawn right there. I have my little stocking cap right here. Y'all, I really thought I brought a darker color, but I guess I didn't. I really thought I did. I brought some, what is this called, tinted lace. This is the first time I'm gonna be using this. I don't know how this is going to work out. I guess you gotta spray it on the inside, but I don't know, y'all. I just thought about it, y'all. What if my lashes fall off? That's gonna be embarrassing, but I ain't gonna cut it off. Ow! It's really hot. Gotta be the one you love. Y'all know B2K. I don't like that this is so messy. This time I'm using bigger wool thingies because focus to hurry up. Y'all, I really swear, I really think we have a freaking squirrel in our ceiling or something. So I did not cut the ears, but it's okay. It's dry now, so I take this, go under. Now, I never used this before. Like, I usually just use makeup, but hey. Now, if you look at this, it says before and after. Hold on. It's not focusing. But like the before is like kind of light, and then the after it really looks like the skin. So we're gonna use this for the first time. I'm about to make a thumbnail. Do this really work or something? I don't know. Okay. Y'all, this stink. And look, like, I don't know, y'all. Where the hell my makeup? Y'all, this don't know. This don't work. because like it's not the same color. Sorry, y'all. Phone went off. Camera went off. Okay, I'm gonna start. Where is it? It's right there. So I gotta make sure that it starts from there because I don't want, you know. Yo, when I'm telling you, this lace is like trash. It's trash. Like really, really trash. Like, how you supposed to say? How you supposed to be like, oh, where? Right there, bitch. What do you mean? Like, the hair is good, but like this lace, bruh. I'm gonna have to change my whole freaking post. No, my whole freaking thumbnail. Buying the most horrible lace, period. That's what I'm gonna have to change it to. Cause like, bitch, we not rocking nowhere with this. It's not cute. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to work my magic on this bullshit because at this point, this is fucking stupid. Yeah, I'm cussing, sorry. But whatever. Like, look at the lace, bruh. Like, it don't blend in or anything. I still gotta cut that off in the back. But like, it don't blend in. The hair is bomb, but the lace is trash. Like, where they do that shit at, bro? Where? Alright, y'all. I'm just cutting this short so I can make the baby hairs. This is what I'm using. I'm like, I don't know. I'm pissed off because I had a vision of how I wanted my hair to be. And the lace got the best of me. Because, like, baby, if I was selling hair, I would not dare. I would not dare get that shit to my clients. Like, what the fuck? But as you can see, it's getting better. I gotta flat iron this side so that it can be like down. Just fucking doing it like that shit. I'm gonna act like this is just a 4x4 and not a 13 because I do not like this lace. So I'ma act like it's just like, look at this scalp. Like, no, it's not giving shit. But it's okay, because let's figure this shit out. I'ma fix it. I took my cap off, the cap off, because I was like, okay, well, maybe it's the cap. But it's not. It's not the cap. It's the lace. So yeah, I will not be buying from this company no more, because no, I'm just not. And this kind of look like it's crooked. Like, the hair don't shed, y'all. It don't shed. So if you want to go ahead and go buy it, go ahead. Okay. So I'm trying to get the part. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. This is the end result. I fixed that shit because that's what your girl do. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the road to 2K. And always remember, keep it pretty and cute. Okay? Later, y'all.